To begin, we carefully remove the shower screen and wall tiles. As the tiles are adhered to the wall lining, it is not possible to pry the tiles from the wall lining. Instead, we remove the wall lining and tiles using a precision tool to cut out the wall tiles and lining to provide a neat finish, so that you will not need to worry about damage to areas outside the shower. If necessary, we treat any rotten framing timber in the wall cavity by either replacing or reinforcing with new timber framing before installing fresh new wall linings, using either plasterboard or sheeting. The product used is dependent on the product that is being used to the remainder of the bathroom to ensure consistency in wall finishes. Once the new wall lining has been installed, we prime the area and fill any penetrations or joints in the sheeting with fast cure polyurethane. The first coat of our two-step waterproofing system is then applied, followed by a second application once the first application has cured. Next, we install the tiles to the shower recess walls, followed by the grout. Caulking is the silicone product used to fill the vertical junctions where the tiles meet and the horizontal junctions where the wall tiles meet the shower base. New plumbing fittings are installed if you have opted to upgrade fittings, or any existing tap covers and shower heads are reinstalled. To finish, we install a new shower screen. The shower is ready to use 24 hours after the shower screen installation.